I'm Yvonne. Just wanna sharing the good couponing deal with us. I got the baggings today for all of the total six items for $9.45 at the final price. Okay, how did I do it? I break down for everyone can see, and then you guys gonna run to get it because it's really cheap price, even cheaper than the those club membership stores. Okay, so at first you're gonna buy 4 baggings, 25 ounce, which is this one. You get 4 of them because right now the Publix is buy one get one free. It's BOGO. So each one is $12.47 of each. But if you buy 4, you can get for $24.94. Okay? And then buy 2 of those small bags for 6 ounce, which each one of them is $3.99. But if you buy 2, it's $7.98. And then the total is $32.92. And then the Publix will accept the competitor's coupon, which right now the Target have awesome coupon. It's a $10 gift card with Purina dog food or treats purchase of 30s or more. So we can combine this coupon. I can get $10 gift card back. And then there is an awesome deal on the paper, the Sunday paper, April 29th, I believe. And then it's buy one get one free dog treats stuff. But you need to notice is it's up to $4.49. So you can use 3 of those coupons. You get final price is $19.45, and then you get a $10 gift card back. So the total, all of the 6 thing is $9.45, which is really good deal. Gotta run. So the deal it starts from May 4th, from May 3rd, which is today, till May 9th. Okay, bye guys.